All right, you guys, taking a look at, well, a few options, but the existing system, we're working with a 120,000 BTU, variable speed 80%. Pretty old system, I think from 91, but I have to confirm that still. And then the coil is from 2018. We're going to believe that the AC is too. We'll look at that in a minute. And then our plenum. A little bit of an offset, our C-width coil and our D-width furnace. Return is 14 by 24.5. We got a 4-inch spacer. So if it goes C-width, we'll probably just meet up with this coil and just redo the return to where it's, you know, the same dimensions. If not, we'll look at going 12, and that'll still give us enough airflow that we need, and that'll allow us to put the 5-inch filter in there. We would want to look at doing a base. This is a 4-ton, and then they do have a return here. Probably clean up this pipe, replace that. The line set takes a run across the ceiling, goes out right over here. Flue piping. We're on a 6-inch T. We have two 3-inch taps for the water heaters, a 5 to 4 reducer down into the furnace. We'll modify the gas, modify the electric. Humidifier is not believed to work. We'll go to replacement on that. We do want to replace both these valves. One goes over to the ice maker, it just gives a trickle of water, and then obviously ours for the humidifier, bringing it up to code compliance requirements. Floor drains right here, and then the water heaters. So looking at possible tankless. Currently we have two 40-gallon water heaters. We have our piping coming down into the first one, comes out of that, and then into the second one. So it's really not piped in parallel, it's piped in series. And then our flue piping is just making a jog up. One's actually aluminum and not up to code, but that would all be gone if we end up going tankless. The gas line coming in, we'll see where the meter is when we come back, but it's starts here. We're at 1 inch, comes down, and the first appliance that it hits is probably oven, and then continues on down, hits our water heaters. If we replace that, more than likely going on this wall. We'll confirm that too. We need to do that. There was an old dryer vent here. We could utilize that hole for the PVC, for at least for one of them. And then we will factor in that they're going to have 3 showers, may get up to 5. We have a Murray panel here. We're on a 50 amp for the AC. There's a double pole that's still open, and then one single that's open on that. Thank you, sir. One open on that top right, and then the double there. So power can come off of that, hit our tankless. Yeah, washer and dryer probably were right here. There's our shutoffs here, so that's that. And that's it. Did you have something you want to add? Okay, so we're good.